All right, talk about before you go in. What you thinking? What you feeling?
Well, I don't really know what's inside, so I don't know what to expect. I just hear a lot of droney sounds, and I'm gonna be blindfolded. So I guess it's gonna be more of like a sensual experience.
Whoa.
Because
Go there.
I'm gonna have to use my hearing and my touch and my sense of spatial awareness rather than using my eyes to navigate the space.
All right, super. Thank you, Danu. Good.